Assalamu alaikum students. I hope you're doing good. Today we're going to study the topic on page 24 of your books, that is Galileo Galilei. This is an Italian name. I'm going to repeat it again, so please listen to me carefully. The word is pronounced as Galileo Galilei. Galileo Galilei was a very famous Italian scientist. Okay, before we begin reading, can you please tell me, do you have any prior idea who Galileo Galilei was? Okay, thank you. I'll give you a brief introduction about who he was, and we're going to proceed reading the chapter. According to many people, but as seen by many people, he was the hero of modern science, and it is modern, not modern. Okay, he was the hero of modern science. He came up with many innovations, many ideas. He was an astronomer by profession. Can you please tell me who's an astronomer? Okay, I'll tell you. An astronomer is a person who studies the objects outside the Earth's atmosphere. Anything which is present outside the Earth's atmosphere is studied by a person who's known as an astronomer, whether it be planets, stars, or anything else. And astrology is the study of the objects that are present outside the Earth's atmosphere. Along with being an astronomer, he was also a mathematician. Can you please tell me who a mathematician is? Okay, I'll tell you. A mathematician is a person who is expert in the subject maths. So now we know two things about Galileo Galilei. One, that he was an astronomer, and the second, that he was a mathematician. More we're going to study about Galileo Galilei on page 24 of your books. Galileo Galilei discovered mountains on the surface of moon and Jupiter's mountains as well. These are the few things that he discovered. These are a few things that I'm telling you, and more of the things of these discoveries we're going to study in the chapter. He told us that the surface of the moon is not flat. It has bumps, it has crevices, it has mountains, it has valleys, just as our Earth has. And he also told us that Jupiter has 4 moons. How many moons does our Earth have? Very good. Our Earth has 1 moon, but Jupiter has 4 moons. These were few of the discoveries which were made by Galileo Galilei. Okay, coming towards page 24 of your book, please open your books. As you can see, the heading suggests comparing biographies. Can you please tell me what is a biography? In our daily life, we have come across 2 words, biography and autobiography. Okay, can you tell me the difference? The difference between the two is a biography is a history of a person's life, while an autobiography, auto means self. An autobiography is the history of a person's life